Hi everyone, welcome to Mellow Talks. This is Ashwini, design head at Mellow Mantra. This is our senior interior designer Soumya. Today we are going to hear about clutter around us. Soumya, tell us what is clutter?
So, clutter is a symptom which is happening with you in your life, and then it becomes a part of a problem itself. So, when it becomes more, the more stagnant energy will attract to itself, and then even more grows. In other words, I can define it as a collection of things laying about in an untidy state.
Okay, example?
You know what it's like? You're walking down the street, and a thoughtless man throws a pack of cigarette in one corner of the roadside. And the next day, you walk in the same street, and then you find few more trash added along with the cigarette pack. So that's when it became a garbage dump. So that's how clutter also impacts on your house. So once a small dirty place will grow and grow slowly by slowly, and then it becomes a garbage dump in your house and it attract more stagnant energy in your house. That will impact you and your entire life.
How is it affecting us?
So, as I told you, it's a collection of things which is in untidy state. I can just put it up in the different categories since that is only a physical level, right? So, you can take it as the things, the first one, the things that you don't love or don't use. The second would be untidy or disorganized things at home. And at home, it might be anything else also. And then too many things in small spaces, and the most important one, anything unfinished.
As you said, the things that we don't use or love impact on people's life.
So basically you're energetically connected to everything you own. So when the things that you keep at home that you love or use very well, it creates an incredible source of support and nourishment for you because they give some vibrant energy, joyous energy. When you look at them, you feel happy. What makes you happy? What things are there at home which makes you feel happy?
At
And
my home,
yes, live lively at home.
my dogs,
Yeah,
my husband,
good one.
and yeah, and my home itself, furnishing, and my Krishna's idol, which I
Yeah.
have at my home. What about you?
For me, it's just greenery, live plants, and greenery everywhere. Good flowers, good decors, good paintings. That makes me feel my mind to be fresh, and it feels good to be at home. So that's when it brings good energy at home. It fills with positivity. While the clutter, on the other hand, if it is very dirty and when you find things that you don't love or you don't want to see them, distracts your mind. It kind of affects you on your mentally state, and then what happens, it brings you down completely, and then you'll not achieve what you want to do by seeing the things every day, right? Yeah,
What's the solution then?
you'll have to get rid of everything that has no real meaning or significance for you, so that it makes you feel lighter in your body, your mind, and spirit. So the next category would be the things that are untidy or disorganized. So this category mostly belongs to the people who are messy and hopelessly disorganized.
Yeah, like you, right?
No ways. Let's keep that you have things at home that you love or use it, but they've not organized properly. It is of no use because you don't know sometimes where you have placed, right? So everyone's life is better when you know where the things are. I cannot just rush telling that where are my house keys, where are my car keys. I cannot go mentally hunt for them. So this
Right.
creates stress and confusion rather than peace and clarity by knowing where my things are, right? So it is very important to organize your things and keep it clean in the entire house, because home is an outward representation of what you feel inside. So if you're messy in the outer side, there's something corresponding mess going on inside you also. So by sorting out the outer, the inner part also will settle itself neatly.
Soumya, what about too many things in a smaller space?
See, your home is a living space, not a storage space, right?
Yeah.
So you'll have to be creative in choosing your storage cabinet so that it doesn't cram your living space, because then there will be less energy for the room, right, to move in, and it'll get difficult to get the things done. So the solution is you'll have to move to a bigger space or get rid of some of the stuff off the premises. So the last category is anything unfinished. So this type of category is hard to see but easy to ignore. Anything unfinished can be in physical, emotional, spiritual, and mental matters also, can clutter your life. So, for example, let us take a physical clutter. So, take an example of your home itself. So, you have something like a broken drawer where the channel needs to be replaced, or a faucet which is dripping, and the AC which needs a service. Or let's take a large scale change, your renovation of your house, or the taming of the jungle that a garden has become. So, all these things that you need to get the things done. So, this will impact your ability to what you do in your life. Let's take in the clutters at the emotional and mental state. So you have some calls that need to be done. You can take up that, or the relations which you need to move on from. There are other many things like this which has the loose ends, which will hamper your progress in your life. So if you do not deal with them properly, so what you need to do is your subconscious mind will suppress it nicely if you ask to do it for, but you need a lot of energy to do so. Try this once and you see how your vitality soars once you have completed your unfinished business.
Soumya, so do you have any advice to the audience before we wrap up the talk?
See, clutter is not just the stuff which is on the floor. It's anything that stands between you and the life you want to be living. So let's do one thing. Let's start with one drawer which has junk in it. Start cleaning it. You will find yourself cleaning the rest of the house. So it's a beautiful thing.
Thank you for watching Melo Talks.
Do not forget to like, comment, and follow our channel.